Hello, today I will be teaching you on how to use the basic tasks for creating a PowerPoint presentation by Microsoft. First, you will need to choose a theme. When you open PowerPoint, you'll see some built-in themes and templates. A theme is a slide design that contains matching colors, fonts, and special effects like shadows, reflections, and more. To do this, you will find the File tab on the ribbon, select New, and then choose a theme. PowerPoint shows you a preview of the theme with 4 color variations to choose from on the right side. Click Create or pick a color variation and then click Create. And here we have some of the theme layouts. To insert a new slide, click on the Home tab button, click the bottom half of New Slide, and pick a slide layout. To save your presentation, you will find the File tab button, choose Save, pick or browse to a folder. In the file name box, type a name for your presentation and then choose Save. And here it shows us on where to find it and how to do this and following the steps. To add a text, select a text placeholder and begin typing. Here is where we would click and continue to type in our template. Format your text. Select the text under Drawing Tools, choose Format. Do one of the following to change the color of your text. Choose a text file and then choose a color. To change the outline color of your text, choose Text Outline and then choose a color. To apply a shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, a transform, choose Text Effects and then choose the effect you want. To add pictures, you're going to click on the Insert tab button and do one of the following. To insert a picture that is saved on your local drive or an internal server, choose Pictures, browse for the picture, and then choose Insert. To insert a picture from the web, choose Online Pictures and use the search box to find a picture. To add shapes, you can add shapes to illustrate your slide. On the Insert tab, select Shapes and then select a shape from the menu that appears. In the slide area, click and drag to draw the shape. Select the Format or Shape Format tab on the ribbon. Open the Shape Styles gallery to quickly add a color and style, including shading to the selected shape. And here we have some examples of the colors and the shapes. To add speaker notes, slides are best when you don't cram in too much information. You can put helpful facts and notes in the speaker notes and refer to them as you present. To open the Notes pane at the bottom of the windows, click Notes. Click inside the Notes pane below the slide and begin typing your notes. To give your presentation on the slideshow, you're going to go ahead and click on the Slideshow tab to do one of the following. To start the presentation at the first slide in the Start Slideshow group, click from Beginning. Tips for creating an effective presentation. Consider the following tips to keep your audience interested. Minimize the number of slides. Choose an audience-friendly font size. Keep your slide text simple. Use visuals to help express your message. Make labels for charts and graphs understandable. Apply subtle, consistent slide backgrounds. And lastly, check the spelling and grammar. Thank you.